Hamilton County Sheriff Jim Hammond returned to work this week after spending 4 days in the hospital with COVID-19. His wife and his chief of staff are still battling the coronavirus, but Hammond says they're on the road to recovery. Our David Carroll asked him about his symptoms and his opinions on wearing a mask in public.
It begins with almost flu-like aches, pains, especially joints. I mean, every finger hurt. If I had hair hurt. That kind of stuff. But once I actually went in there, probably the more scarier issue is when you begin to have a little lung problems. That gets into your breathing ability. Mine, fortunately, were not severe. Fortunately, Dr. Height, and who's also our SWAT team doctor, he met me at the hospital, got me started. Another doctor took my case, Dr. Smith, upstairs, Vincent Smith. They were very attentive. All the nurses, paramedics, everybody did a bang-up job. And surprisingly enough, they've got a pretty good routine going there to get you on the medicines you need.
Some say you've been in the past less than enthusiastic about wearing a mask or recommending masks. After what you've been through, has that changed your outlook at all?
There was a lot of misconception about my position. When this first came out and the mayor and the governor made their statement, the health department, I was supportive then, I'm supportive now. What I wasn't supportive of is everybody's to wear a mask 24 hours a day, no matter where you were. I made it very clear that my officers were not going to pull people over because they were riding in their car without a mask on, or they were walking down an unbusy street with a mask on. That I was one is suggest people wear the mask when they were around anybody that felt threatened by them not having a mask. That I was going to ask them to cooperate with merchants when they were in the store. If the sign said wear a mask, wear a mask. If the merchant asked you to wear a mask and you said, no, I'm not wearing a mask, and refused to leave the store, then we would get involved as law enforcement to write a citation, or hopefully not have to, but even make a arrest if need be. That has been my position from the beginning. I'm still doing that. Today, when I was out for lunch, I had a mask on when I got out of the car. I had a mask on going in the restaurant. I took the mask off when I was at the table, which has been my procedure and what I've asked my friends, family, and staff to do since the beginning.
David Carroll with that interview. Now.